I just want to say a quick prayer for you as we begin the month of April. In this month of April, my prayer for you in the name of Jesus is that the Almighty will bless you. I pray that He will increase your borders and expand the place of your habitation. I pray that every crooked path He will make straight, and every obstacle He will turn into a stepping stone. My prayer for you in this month is that the Lord will lift you up and promote you. I pray that the Lord will bless the work of your hands. I pray that in this month, the Lord will send you helpers from Zion. In this month of April, no curse spoken by men or demons shall alight upon your life. I decree that in this month, no divination or enchantment shall prevail over your life. I pray that the rod of the wicked will have no power over your lot. And I pray that the lines will fall for you in pleasant places in this month in the name of Jesus.